Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make up to $100 per day copying Memecoin Millionaires. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So I'm gonna be showing you guys about 4 websites that you can use to copy Memecoin Millionaires very easily and make up to $100 per day with meme coins. So the first website is gonna be gmgn.ai. So you can connect your Telegram to this website to access it, or you can sign in with your wallet. Uh, so here you can copy trades, see which one are the most profitable, and you can make up to $100 by copying Memecoin Millionaires here. So this is the first website. The second website is solscan.io. It's a similar website as well. So you can find trades and you can copy other Memecoin Millionaires. So this is the third website, dextools.io. This is a similar website as well. So you can also use this website to your benefit like this. So this is a great website as well. Uh, this is another website, dexscreener.com. You can also use this website to your own benefit. So yeah, guys, this is how you can make up to $100 per day by copying Memecoin Millionaires. So these are the 4 websites that you should use to make money with meme coins. So yeah, guys, I hope you found this video to be somewhat helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.